If you're looking to track customer support tickets in teamwork.com, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to set it up, track progress, and make sure no support ticket slips through the cracks, whether you're managing a small team or overseeing a larger operation. Teamwork.com offers a user-friendly interface that makes it simple to manage customer support tickets efficiently. And the best part? You can get started with a free plan by clicking the link in the description below, where we have some exclusive bonuses for you. So let's jump into it. First off, to track customer support tickets, you'll need to start by setting up a project WAS in teamwork.com. I know it might sound counterintuitive since you're tracking individual tickets, but Teamwork's project-based setup is ideal for organizing all the support issues in one place. Each ticket can be created as a task within the project, and you can track its progress from start to finish. Next, once your project is set up, you'll create a task for each customer support ticket. You can assign these tasks to specific team members, making it clear who's responsible for resolving the issue. This helps streamline the process and ensures nothing is overlooked. You can also set due dates to keep things moving, which is really helpful if you're working with multiple support requests at once. Teamwork.com also gives you the option to add GUI custom fields for each task, allowing you to capture more specific details about the ticket. For example, you can add a custom field to track the priority of each ticket or categorize them by the type of issue, whether it's a billing question, technical support, or a product issue. Now let's talk about DOASIS. Task status. Teamwork allows you to easily update the status of each ticket, so you can see at a glance where everything stands. Use the built-in labels for To Do, In Progress, and Completed to keep track of what's been addressed and what still needs attention. You can even add your own labels to track more specific stages of resolution. This gives you full visibility into your team's workload and the status of all customer requests. If you want to go a step further, you can use the popular Teamwork Inbox. This feature lets you capture and manage emails from customers, converting them directly into support tickets within the system. It's a super convenient way to streamline incoming requests and ensures every email is tracked as a support ticket in your project. For those looking to dig deeper into performance, reports in Teamwork can be a real game changer. You can track ticket resolution times, see which team members are handling the most tickets, and identify any bottlenecks in the process. The reporting features give you a clear picture of how efficiently your team is working and where improvements can be made. Finally, let's not forget about notifications. Teamwork.com sends automatic notifications to your team members when new tickets are created or when there's an update on a ticket they're working on. This ensures everyone stays in the loop and can act quickly when needed. In summary, tracking customer support tickets in Teamwork.com is a breeze once you get the hang of it. Whether you're setting up projects, assigning tasks, tracking progress, or diving into performance analytics, Teamwork has all the tools you need to manage your customer support effectively. Don't forget, if you're interested in trying Teamwork out, check the first link below for an exclusive extended free trial. You can get started at no cost and explore everything this software has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.